Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to build financial discipline using Kabbage tools. So I got a couple of tips for you guys, and if you apply them, hopefully it's going to teach you exactly how to build financial discipline using Kabbage tools. So let's get into it. First, you want to start with Kabbage Insight. Now, this tool tracks all of your income and expenses automatically, and you can use it to set monthly budget limits as well as get alerts for low balances or missed payments, and also to review spending categories that you can cut back on. Next, let's look at Kabbage Payments. Its invoicing features allows you to schedule recurring payments, and this, of course, helps you to automate incoming cash. And with funding history tracking, you can review your borrowing patterns and set self-imposed limits, like only borrowing for revenue generating activities, and that way you don't end up in too much financial constraints. Lastly, you can use the goal setting feature in Insights to set short and long-term savings or repayment targets. It's very useful for setting goals, and it helps you to stay focused. Now, with consistency, these tools help you form good financial habits, which of course prevents overspending, and it helps you to maintain positive cash flow. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.